In this video, we'll walk you through a high-level overview of how to perform a search for a product using Algopix Insights Engine. Step 1 is to identify the product you'd like to research. This can be a product offered by a current supplier, a product from your current inventory, or simply a product you're interested in learning a little more about. Step 2. Either enter a specific text phrase like Garmin Fenix 3 or enter a product identifier like ASIN, EAN, or UPC into the Algopix search bar. Next, enter the price. The price of the item may be the price you paid if the product is existing inventory, or the price as given by a current or potential supplier, or your best guess as to what you'd pay to acquire the product you're considering purchasing. Now, select the markets of interest. In order to run the search, you'll need to select at least one market and can select up to as many markets as you like. Next, select the condition of the product you're researching. Is this product new, used, or refurbished? Lastly, if you'd like to receive an analysis of the recommended search phrase for your Google AdWords campaign for this specific product, select the box next to Include Google AdWords Analysis. Now your search is ready to go. Simply click the Submit button and Algopix Insights will perform your search, returning actionable insights in real time. All of Algopix's top features can be found on the dashboard located at the top of the screen. Useful information like the recommended market, product demand level, expenses, estimated profit, and the platform's recommendation are all displayed. The best recommended market tells you which market the Algopix algorithm is recommending. In this case, it's the eBay US marketplace. Next, you can see that the product's demand level is medium. Algopix tells you whether a product has a low, medium, or high demand level, which is calculated using dozens of data points like monthly Google searches, the product's Amazon rank, total monthly sales on eBay, and other important metrics. The Expenses tab does exactly what its name describes. It estimates what type of expenses you should expect if you're going to sell this product. Using our example, you can see that the estimated expenses are $47.65. We'll explain more about how that number is calculated later in the video. The profit tells you exactly how much profit you can make based on the other factors. In this case, the estimated profit is $172.34. The last metric that's displayed in the dashboard is whether the product is recommended or not. A recommended product means that the product has a market and that you can sell it for a competitive price. Any relevant product information is displayed on the middle of the screen. The first thing you should look for is the product's image to make sure that you've searched for the right item. Other important information like the product's description, unique identifiers like ASIN, UPC, and EAN, dimensions will also be displayed. The product dimensions are important because it allows Algopix to get shipping quotes for you while you're browsing. Don't worry, we'll get to this in a bit. The Product Insights section is where all the magic happens. This section is displayed as a table and houses all the dashboard information and so much more. The table Valuable Insights into all the marketplaces you searched for, both eBay and Amazon, allows you to see how other marketplaces are performing for the same product. Even better, you can sort the results however you want to compare different metrics across the other marketplaces. Let's dive a little deeper. If you click the eBay US result, the expenses breakdown will show up. From here, we can see that you will pay $3 for shipping, that eBay will charge around $33 in fees, and PayPal will charge around $11. The shipping cost may seem low, but that's because the product is being shipped within the United States. But what happens if we take a look at eBay Germany? We can see that the sale price is higher and the shipping and taxes are much higher as well. The shipping went from $3 to $21, while the taxes went to $91. If we click the Amazon US result, we can also check the Competitive Analysis Landscape tab for a product. The data here tells you everything about the product on Amazon US. Using this example, we can see that the product has medium demand level, which is good, that we would be competing against 24 sellers, that the product is being fulfilled by Amazon, the current buy box and lowest offer prices, the overall seller reviews for this product, and the best seller ranking for it as well. Algopix makes finding all of this information really easy. You can find your Google AdWords analysis results at the bottom. Algopix will recommend search phrases, display average monthly searches, an estimated cost per click and cost per acquisition, keyword competition, and a detailed chart showing overall search volume. Now you know how to search for a single product using Algopix's search engine. Next time we'll show you how the platform's multiple products analysis function works using nothing but a CSV file. With future updates always rolling out, new and exciting features are being adapted to Algopix to help you not only sell more, but sell smart.